afternoon. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. Okay, my name is Mr. La and I am your host for today. Okay, a little info about our park. Okay, Albert Park was first opened on 15 February 1991. Alright, we are housing 1,000 local and also foreign birds. Alright, yeah. Now, are you guys ready for the show? Yes. Okay, now, good. We are welcome our first performer for today. His name is Mr. Green. And for Mr. Green, what we have here, okay, is a red wooden dog. Okay, now please welcome Mr. Green and our trainer, Mr. Mo here. Okay, now Green. W-E-S-C-O-N-E. Welcome! Okay, Mr. Green. Also, welcome you guys to the workshop, but that's not all. Okay, Mr. Green want to show you guys, okay, acrobatic skill. Okay, Mr. Green, are you ready? Are you sure? Yes, very sure. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good job to the next ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes! Nice acrobatic. Okay, from Mr. Green. Okay, a little info about this white bird, sulfur-crested ducklet. Okay, we can identify their gender by looking at their color of eyes. Okay, male they have dark brown eyes, and for female they have red eyes. Okay, next is welcome. Okay, my little friend over here. Okay, his name is Coco. Come on, Coco. Ah, very sure, right, Coco. And now we are going to have a little chat with Coco. Alright, now Coco, you see in front of you today, okay, we have so many audience. Okay, can you say something to the audience, Coco?
Hello?
Oh, Coco said hello to everyone. Okay, Coco, I have a question for you. When you see
Did the bird
pretty
say?
ladies, okay, what will you say to the pretty ladies?
Hi.
Ah, Coco saying hi to the pretty
Did the bird
ladies.
say?
Now, Coco, how about, okay, we have kids. For kids, can you say a happy hello to all kids, Coco? Oh, happy hello, right, from Coco. Coco, I have a question for you. Today, you feel good or not? Good. All right, last one, Coco. Okay, last one for today. When you feel good, okay, you must feel happy, right? Can you show everyone here in front of you how your happy expression will go from your heart? Show everyone here your happy expression. Ah, because laughing at me, Coco. Very again. Thank you so much, Coco. Alright, nice. So, right with Coco, my little friend. Thank you so much, Coco. Okay, up next, okay, we are going to have a rainforest bird, which is, for this time, please welcome Snowy. Come on, Snowy, a white from on big, okay, Snowy, okay, and for Hornbill, okay, actually, their diet, they are omnivorous. Okay, that means they eat fruit and also meat. And over here, okay, let's see what our trainer, okay, Mr. Raihan, in our hornbill over here. Okay, here we have papaya. Okay, now we have papaya. Okay, we have banana, and also we have meat for our hornbill. Now we here. Alright, now we are going to see our hornbill fly, okay? And hornbill, okay, for some of the hornbill, we can identify their gender by looking at their color of eyes. Male, okay, they have red eyes, and for female, okay, they have white eyes. Okay, last one for today, okay, we are going to show you guys our horn is now here can catch food in the air. Okay, can really our horn will catch food in the air. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, focus, Snowy.
Wow, that bird is so good.
Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. Snowy, make sure you catch nicely. Get to your position once again. Okay. Come on, you need to show everyone here. Okay, you catch your food in the air. Okay.
Is he their pet?
Yeah! Good. Over there. Okay, our home is Snowy. Just catch me. Okay, thank you. Finish your meat and fly back to your field. Alright? Okay, up next we are going to have our free flying performance. Okay, and for this time we have our green wing macaw. Everyone, let's find where our macaw. Okay, look in front over there. Okay, look in front everyone. Okay, now please welcome Zizu. Anyone see Zizu? Wow, over there we have Zizu, our green wing macaw. And now Zizu will come and fly all the way here. So everyone please remain seated. Please do not raise your hand also. Okay, now Zizu. Okay, there is our Zizu. Just fly above your head. Okay, thank you very much, Zizu. And now Zizu will come down over here. And Zizu want to show this dancing skill. Okay, everyone, Zizu know how to dance. And now for today, okay, we are going to see our our green wing macaw. Okay, Zizu will dance. Okay, Zizu, when you're ready, calm down. Okay, and everyone, okay, please, when we have a music, let's clap our hand together. Okay, can I have music, please?
He's so huge.
Okay, music first. Okay, come on, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Very good dancing. Right from Zizu, our green wing macaw. Okay, and up next we are going to have our second macaw. And for this time we have our blue and gold macaw. Alright, now please welcome Popeye. Come on, Popeye. Popeye here. And for Popeye, we are going to have a spelling test. Okay, let's see. For today, can macaw spell or not? But over here we have three pictures, and I want everyone, okay, let's choose which one you guys want Popeye to spell. Okay. Now for the first one here, if you guys want Popeye to spell macaw, raise your hand. Come on. Anyone Popeye to spell macaw? Yeah, good job for macaw. And second is star. Come on. Anyone? No, so many poster. And the last one is eagle. Wow, I think it's so much more. Okay, let's spell macaw for today. Okay, Popeye, today let's spell macaw. Okay, for your information, also, okay, macaw is also one of the most intelligent birds. Okay, because they have a very good memory. And here we are going to see okay, we spell macaw. And now, okay, we line up our alphabet down here. And our macaw, okay, Popeye, we pick one by one and spell macaw. Okay, before we start, let's show Popeye once again the pictures and the words macaw. Good, Popeye, okay. Right? Now, let's start. Okay, first one is A. 4, 5 is spell not in order, right? Okay, spell correct. Okay, second one also A, okay? Right, let's spell together again. Correct not. Okay, third one is C. Okay, 2 more to go. Correct over here. Okay, W. Last one.
Does it know the letter?
Okay, so 5 spell correct here. Well, easy. Yeah! Good. Okay, right. Papa spell. Mantap. Thank you so much, Papa. Wow.
The letter was easy?
So much fun. Okay, next, let's go here. For this time, pick up ring and put back, okay, into this hole. Whoever finish first, okay, is the winner. Okay, now please welcome our first competitor is Tommy. Come on, Tommy. Okay, our first competitor now. For the second competitor, please welcome once again Popeye. Come on, Popeye. Okay, now before we start this race, Popeye and also Tommy, okay, they need a cheerleader to a team. So now let's divide you guys into 2 teams. For the first team, Popeye. 4 team forward. We divide from the middle, from this line until to my right side. You guys will be cheer for Popeye. Okay, right side team Popeye. Okay, now 4 team Tommy, okay, from this line onto to my left side, you guys will be cheer for Tommy. Okay, left side team Tommy. Okay, right side team Popeye. Okay, now get ready, Popeye and Tommy. Okay. For cheerleader, okay, team someone please shout as long as you can. Okay, Popeye and Tommy, ready? Good. Now on your mark, get set and go. Come on, Popeye, come on. Popeye, pass it, Tommy, go ahead, Tommy, pass it. Okay, what's wrong, Mr. Right hand?
Tommy cheating.
Oh, yes.
God, Mr. Right said, Tommy cheating.
Yeah, he cheated.
Yes, no.
He took all the rings in one time.
If you guys think that Tommy is cheating, please put out your hand. Oh, oh, okay, wait, I have a second question over here. Now, if you guys think that Tommy over here is technically smart, please put out your hand. Wow, so much. Put your hand. Thank you so much, Popeye. Thank you, Popeye. Now we still have our winner.
Trying to cheat?
Tommy, okay, we have
What is
something for Tommy. We have 3 empty
No,
balls.
he's very smart.
And also we have a wooden heart. Okay, over here, we are going
It's a
to
hard
test
way?
Tommy eyesight. How sharp our mental eyesight over here. Okay, we hide the die in this one of 3 empty balls here. Okay. Okay, Tommy. Focus. For the first time here, okay, it's a slow one. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, but can Tommy find or not?
The middle.
Yeah. Good. Okay, let's one more time.
This is
And
following
for
the
this
cheat?
time, it means
No,
more
he is
fun,
a
okay?
genius.
It's a more fun,
But he's
right?
looking around.
Look.
Okay, second time, more fun. Okay. Come on, Tommy, focus. Look at the die. Okay. And faster, Mr. Mo. Come on.
It's too hard.
Okay, everyone. Okay, let's try to guess together again, okay? Let's try to guess. Looks like Tom is very focused here. Yeah!
It was
And for your information, also, okay, most cows, their eyesight are 7 times sharper than human. Okay, thank you, Tommy. And next is welcome Lily. Okay, our sulfur crested cockatoo over here. Okay, for Lily, we are going to show you guys. Okay, Lily can find her food or not.
Daddy,
We
like
put in
that?
a bucket there. Okay, we have a bucket. And now our Lily is trying to put up the bucket there. Okay. And not there. Okay, fine. Your foot is fall apart for me. Lily. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's see how smart this bird. Come on. Slowly, Okay. And yes! Good. Okay, really got fun. Favorite which is a piece of pepper. Thank you so much, Lina. Like a real fish, okay? Alright, now we have come to the last performer for today and here. I have a dustbin. Alright, even we entertain, we also need to educate. And the most important thing is to respect our environment. Okay, we have some scrap over here. Okay, somebody stole this one. Now, please welcome, okay, our African grey parrot to clean up the trash. Okay, come on, Rio. Come on, we have scrap over there. Pick up one by one. Okay, first one. And yes! Okay. Now, last one, Ariel. Alright guys, if a bird can do this, so can we, right? Please keep our environment clean. Okay, last one, Ariel. Step on it and throw it. Very smart play, Ariel. Thank you so much. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show. But before I end, let me introduce our team of trainers over here now. On my right side is Mr. Raihan with Q. On my left side is Mr. Mo with Ariel. And once again, my name is Mr. Lam. Thank you for coming to Kuala. Bye-bye. Okay, wait. Last word from